Hi everyone. Today we are here to discuss what is the right way to reduce the body. These days, body weight reduction has become a very important topic. So everyone should know what is the right and scientific way to reduce the body. First of all, you should have a realistic goal while reducing the weight. It should be 1 or 2 kgs in 15 days. That should be the right way to reduce the weight. Rapid weight loss is also not recommended. Second thing, balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet should have fruits which are high in nutrient but low in calories. Don't eat too sweet fruits without any nutrients. It will just add calories in your diet. Second thing, lean protein. Lean protein in vegetarian diets you will get out of sprouts, then paneer and then tofu, or in non-vegetarian diets you can get chicken, fish and other non-vegetarian red meat diet. If you are vegetarian, at least 2 eggs you should eat every day. That will bring a lean protein in your diet. Third thing, whole grain. Whole grain includes brown rice, quinoa or whole wheat roti. That will help to get a good calories with lot of nutrients without any added sugar. Last thing, healthy fat. Fat means you should have salads with olive oils into it, avocado into it, or nuts. Nuts contains very healthy fat that is sufficient for your dietary fat. Second thing, portion control. Let's say you are eating a balanced diet but the portion is not appropriate, then it will lead to excessive calorie gain and then there will not be any weight loss. Next thing is exercise. Do regular exercises. Exercise should be a combination of strengthening workout as well as aerobic workout. Aerobic workouts includes running and jogging, cross trainer, cycling, swimming, and strengthening workout is a weight training. The exercise should be combination of both. When you start exercise, initially you might not see any weight loss because you will reduce the fat but as well as you will gain the muscle mass. Therefore, visible weight loss will be seen after certain period when you start your exercises. Next important thing is maintain proper hydration. If you are control your diet and if you are doing regular exercises, hydration plays very important role. So you should have your own water bottle and every 1 hourly you should have a sip of water so that at least 1 to 2 liter of water you will have every day. Next thing, sound sleep. Sound sleep means 7 to 9 hours of the sleep. So even if you are doing the proper exercises, even if you are having a good diet, but if your sleep is not adequate, you will gain weight because if you are sleep deprived, your weight gain hormone increases, your hunger center stimulates and you eat more and effectively it will lead to weight gain. Another important thing is monitor your progress. So you should check your fat mass, muscle mass and weight reduction every 15 days to 1 month and that will boost you for your next goal and it will help you in reducing your weight. Avoid junk food and outside food. If you are having a craving of the outside food, try eating salads and healthy fruits and practice mindful activities and mindful eating habits. All these activities in combination will help you to reduce your weight. Don't try to see a magic in reducing the weight. Keep things simple and in your diet also keep things which are comfortable to eat. Don't plan your diet in such a way that you will not able to continue it and sustain it for longer duration. So have a good diet from your own kitchen rather than bringing 10 things from the market which will not help you in a long run. Thank you.